kilometers, 26 minutes and 58 seconds. Hindi tayo nag-rehydrate. There was a point na sumakit yung tagiliran ko. This is our week 10 full marathon training. Umaambon dito sa UP, basa yung daan, pero kailangan na talaga natin mag-training eh. Parang ilang araw na tayo hindi nakakapag-training dahil sa ulan. So this time, ambon lang naman, kakayanin natin to. Siguro kahit mga 10 kilometer run lang. So again, ilang araw na lang, August 10 na, Manila full marathon na. So this is my first ever full marathon, kaya kailangan talaga nating paghandaan. Although yung training ko for the past 2 weeks, parang sirang-sira talaga dahil sa ulan. So ngayon, kailangan natin tumakbo eh. So mag-shoes na tayo. Let's go! Let's do some warm-up. Let's go! Let's go! So before we start, by the way, I'm bringing this small plastic with me para meron tayong mapaglagyan ng cellphone kung umulan man ng malakas. At of course, yung car key natin. Takbo na habang hindi pa umuulan. We're now hitting the road! So yun na nga, umuulan na guys. Pero we have to fight. Kilometers! 26 minutes and 58 seconds. Whew. Oh. Alright, 10 kilometers, 56 minutes and 15 seconds. 10 kilometers, 56 minutes and 15 seconds. Good job, self. Hindi tayo nag-rehydrate. Dire-diretso lang yung run natin. There was a point na sumakit yung tagiliran ko. I had to walk, siguro mga 1 minute yon. Pero after that nawala naman. See guys, the advantage of this small plastic. This was able to cover my car key and also my phone during the time na sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina. Right? So hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog during the run kasi yung time na sobrang lakas ng ulan, I had to keep my phone inside this plastic. That was fulfilling. So we're able to make this 10-kilometer run under the rain. So just like what I always say, don't forget to live, move, and inspire. Bye!